everybody, this is a game called Sound Effects. And this is Ryan and Jonathan are going to perform a scene full of action, intrigue, and adventure. And you guys are going to provide all the sound effects in the scene. Whenever anything needs to have a noise made, you'll be doing it with those microphones you're holding in your hand. So put the microphones up to your mouth and let's practice. If Jonathan was going to pick up a small kitty cat and pet it, and then the cat got angrier and angrier, what would that sound like? Wow, no preamble, like a man. Well done, Rhonda. And if Ryan was going to pick up a shotgun, load it, and shoot a goose out of the sky, what would that sound like, Kelly? You didn't have the safety on, you just shot Johnny. Watch what they're doing. Let's try one more. If Ryan was going to open a very squeaky gate, what would that sound like? I don't see what could go wrong. This one's going to be off the hook. And then you, sir, a dangerous or exciting activity that you people might participate in. No, you heard that from the back. Did you make you feel bowling in there? All right, bowling. Let's have bowling.
Dangerous bowling. My car ran out of gas. Hey, teacher from Charlie Brown. Come on, we got the contest. Onomatopoeia. What are you doing out in the garden? No, it's just a gate. I saw the shotgun above it, it scared me. What's up? Have you forgotten our bowling contest today? Got it. Forget it. Let me get some clothes on. Yeah. Put my chastity belt on. I'm ready. My car ran out of gas on the way here. Can we take your motorcycle? Yeah, we'll take the moped instead. Ready? Up, up. Start it up. Here we are. Ready? Get your ball? Oh, man, I forgot my ball. You can use mine. Oh, here's one to go. That pigeon's the best thing you ever got. Unzip my bag. Pull out my ball. Do my magic trick. All right. Nice. Boom. Ready? Let's go in. We're bowling in the garden today. Sounds like they're playing 70s music here in the garden today. Hear that 70s music?
Stay alive, stay alive.
Turn on the hand dryer, dry my hands off a bit. Really hope it doesn't sound like a garden gate. While you're messing around with that, I'm going to go ahead and bowl. Okay. These are quiet floors, no more socks. These are falling a bolt with a cat. This isn't a house dangerous. There's drive-bys all the time at this alley, man. Why don't you just step aside, let me bowl? Right, you can't bowl without a broom. Let me set the pins up. No one up. I just dumped them for you. Good luck. It's like pulling Batman. Hey, karaoke in the lounge. You bet I do. Hey, you mind if I start? I'm a huge Lady Gaga fan.
We don't do Lady Gaga.
I got the beats. Justin Bieber. Oh, Justin Bieber. Who's that is?
Yeah, I don't either.
I drive by, the music doesn't work. Hey, let me go to a good bowling alley. Why don't you try? You're a good singer. You're a good singer. Well, I like country music. You do like country? I do. This is Hank Williams Jr. The plug came out when you were over here.
That's what was wrong with my Lady Gaga.